Who says the concrete jungle isn't wild? Let's dive into the unexpected world of animals who've made our cities their home. First up, the raccoon. Also known as trash pandas, because they are omnivorous scavengers that eat almost anything, including trash. These clever creatures are experts at cracking open garbage cans in cities across North America. You'll find them lurking in alleys, parks, and even your attic. They thrive on human leftovers and have become a quirky icon of urban wildlife. Next, we have pigeons. Often called rats with wings, pigeons are everywhere: plazas, parks, building ledges. They were once bred as messengers, but now they feast on breadcrumbs and dropped fries. They are loved and loathed by city dwellers alike. Speaking of birds, the peregrine falcon is a surprising city slicker. These raptors have adapted to nest on skyscrapers, preying on pigeons and small birds. Once endangered, they've soared back to success, riding the city wind currents with ease. Coyotes have crept into cities, especially across North America. You'll catch glimpses of them prowling suburbs, parks, and even downtown areas at night. Their diet includes rodents, pets, and discarded food, but they're generally misunderstood and feared by humans. Then there's the red fox. These sly animals are thriving in urban environments in Europe and North America. You'll spot them in parks, gardens, and golf courses. They hunt for small mammals, insects, and anything edible they can find. Though elusive, they're often admired for their adaptability and beauty. Moving to the reptiles, alligators have been known to inhabit drainage canals and golf course ponds in southern US cities. Though they prefer swamps, they occasionally make shocking appearances in urban areas. They're feeding on fish, birds, and even pets. Monkeys are a common sight in urban areas of countries like India and Thailand. They've learned to navigate city streets, rooftops and markets, living off fruit, snacks and food offerings. Loved for their playful nature, but sometimes seen as a nuisance, monkeys thrive in the bustling city life. In Europe, the hedgehog is a beloved urban critter. You'll find them in gardens and parks. They feast on slugs, insects, and even dog food left out for pets. Their cute, spiky appearance makes them a favorite among city dwellers. Another master of the night, the opossum, is often spotted in North and South American cities. They feast on fruit, insects and trash, acting as an unofficial garbage crew. Though they can look a bit frightening, their docile nature makes them relatively harmless. For a more majestic visitor, the deer has been known to wander into suburban neighborhoods. They find refuge in city parks, gardens and green spaces, munching on plants and shrubs. Though adored by some, they're often the culprits of damaged gardens. Ever heard of wild boars in cities? These tough animals have been sighted in cities across Europe and Asia. They dig up lawns and scavenge for food. Their size and boldness often intimidate humans, but they've adapted well to urban life. Bats too have found a niche in cities worldwide. Roosting under bridges and in attics, they emerge at night to feast on insects, keeping mosquito populations in check. While many people fear them, they're vital for controlling urban pests. In Australia, the kangaroo has wandered into suburban areas, particularly during droughts. They graze on lawns and parks, sometimes causing a stir with their unexpected presence in neighborhoods. Moving back to birds, crows have mastered the city game. They're found in nearly every urban environment, feeding on trash, small animals, and even nuts they drop in traffic to crack open. Crows are smart, adaptable, and even revered by some for their intelligence. Squirrels are probably the most common urban animals in the world. They dart across power lines, scavenge parks, and make homes in trees or attics. These energetic animals are often adored, despite their occasional garden raids. Then there's the rat. Love them or hate them, these rodents have perfected city life. You'll find them in sewers, subways, and alleys, feeding on anything edible. Though despised by many, rats are survivors and a key part of urban ecosystems. Back to the birds with sparrows. These little brown birds thrive in cities across the globe, from cafes to bus stops. They feed on crumbs and seeds, blending seamlessly into city life, often overlooked, but incredibly resilient. For something more exotic, peacocks roam freely in some neighborhoods in places like California. These birds are loved for their dazzling feathers. These majestic birds strut through gardens and streets, feeding on insects and plants. The urban fox squirrel is another adaptable critter, thriving in North America. They leap through parks, feeding on acorns, fruits, and the occasional human snack. Their playful antics make them a favorite, though they can be mischievous. Finally, bees are making a comeback in cities, thanks to urban beekeeping initiatives. They pollinate flowers in city gardens and parks, crucial to urban greenery, and are adored by city gardeners for their environmental benefits. These animals are proof that nature can find a way, even in the most unlikely places. Our cities aren't just for us, they're shared with these wild urbanites. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to more marvels from the animal kingdom.